सो हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। तो जैसा कि आपको मालूम है, मैंने लास्ट वीडियो में आप सभी को बताया था कि जो अपनी एक्सेसरीज़ की लिस्ट है उसके वीडियोस में 2 पार्ट्स होंगे। सो दिस इज़ द सेकंड पार्ट। तो सेकंड पार्ट के लिए अभी आपको क्या जानना है बताइए मुझे। तो आई होप यू गाइज हैव सीन द फर्स्ट वीडियो एंड यू लाइक दैट। तो अगर वो पसंद आया तो थैंक यू वेरी मच। इफ़ यू डिड लाइक और दैट, इफ़ यू डिडंट देन वाई मैं क्या बुरा किया मैंने तुम्हें। छोड़ो फिर। तो आई विल गो थ्रू व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू इन दिस वीडियो एंड आई विल गिव यू द प्राइसिंग्स एज वेल, एंड इंस्टॉलेशंस की जो वीडियो है वो बाद में आएंगी, तो दैट आई एम सॉरी, बट हाँ, सो आई विल क्विकली गो ओवर व्हाट ऑल. So in this video I'm going to tell you about my puncture proof tire puncture repair kit, then the windshield that I have installed, my handlebar, my crash guard, my small blind spot mirrors, what else have I installed, and my top box, and another very important thing, my phone holder with my mobile charging option. Let's start with the tire puncture repair liquid. So guys, this is a brand called Formula X that I've used in my tires. I have not faced any puncturing issues till now. There was this one big thorn, it was long back. So it was like this big a thorn, almost समझो ना, if you put it to the sidewall, it would have easily gone in this much. From this to this point. So it was a pretty deep inside. तो उसको निकाला, and it's a tube tire, so it immediately loses air. So as soon as we removed it, the air started to drop, but I just rode it for a bit and then I filled it up and then rode it more. So almost in 1 hour of riding, it completely sealed up and I have not had any air leaking issues after that. तो ये आगे पीछे दोनों टायर्स में है. It was I think 1500 rupees का कुछ पैक for both tires, and you get it for multiple, like you can get it fixed in all bikes or scooters or cars. एक वो है. So jumping to the next thing, this windshield. This is a windshield designed by Inscape Dreams. I'll show you the logo. It's right here. It is Mumbai. It's a company based in Mumbai, and it is a really worth investment for Xpulse, considering the stock windshield is this much. This is almost double of it. And it is much more wider. So stock windshield of Xpulse is like this much. So ये इतना चौड़ाई दोनों तरफ है. तो wind buffeting of course होती है, but it goes directly over my helmet. This was a 19. It's a what was the price? I think 2000 rupees for this windshield, and I think it is worth it because the holes match up exactly where they are supposed to. The number plate fixes properly. It is exactly the right size for me at least, and it looks epic. I'll show you from far. So you see, it makes the bike look bigger. So it's a really worth investment considering the stock Xpulse windshield is bullshit. So I would recommend, if you're planning on touring, immediately get this done. So jumping to the next scene is the handlebar. This handlebar is from Art of Motorcycles. I am pretty sure I don't need to give explanations about Art of Motorcycles. Almost everybody knows about Art of Motorcycles. In case you don't, please hold on for a bit. I will be releasing the video for this soon. So उसमें आपको दिख जाएगा सब details कि मैंने fix कैसे किया है or whatever it is. After that are these small blind spot mirrors that I've got. These I just got from a local car store for 50 rupees one piece. So these are very crucial when you're riding on the highways, because these give you a view of from almost the third lane, the leftmost lane, to almost the rightmost lane. So this is the worth investment. After this is the crash guard. So this crash guard is made by HDT Customs Mumbai. He has nailed it, guys. I cannot, it is perfect. It is properly sized. It doesn't look too big. It's not small कि आपका tank लग जाएगा. It is absolutely perfectly designed. हेमंत भाई, hats off. इसमें एक स्लाइडर आ जाता है इधर, डर्लिन का स्लाइडर, if I'm not wrong. I don't know what Durlin, which brand it is, but it's a you get a slider here. You get 3-point fittings. So this is 2 on the stock locations, एक इधर. So 2 on the stock locations, एक इधर और एक इधर. and third one right there. So that way your engine is covered as well from here to here. Don't mind this dirt, it was because of off-roading. तो ये है आपका in both sides तो होगा ही सेम. तो कुछ ऐसा है. And during when the bike falls, it is perfect. सो गाइज एज यू कैन सी, बस अपन ने बिजली को लिटा दिया ऐसे ही. और ये देख सकते हैं आप क्रैश गार्ड अपना सारा इम्पैक्ट लेते हुए उसके स्लाइडर के पॉइंट पे. ये देखो कुछ दूसरा टच नहीं कर रहा है, डायरेक्ट स्लाइडर. और यहाँ पे अपना बस ये मिरर थोड़ा बीच में आ जाता है अड़ाने के लिए अपनी, और ये ले रहा है तो ये पूरा क्लियर है. सो हाँ, एंड इवन द हैंडल बार, हाँ आर्ट ऑफ मोटरसाइकिल से मैं जंप कर दिया डायरेक्ट, सॉरी. So this is for 2100 I got, and so for the 4V there's no issue with the handlebar switches. For the 2V people have said that the handlebar switch hole is slightly smaller, but I have not faced it. My switches fit in perfectly. और उसके साथ this is much more wider and stronger due to this support beam right here. So ये support beam बहुत अच्छे से वेल्ड करके इन्होंने रखाई है, तो आपका गिरती भी है ना बाइक. So this takes the impact, the side weight which is also metal. This directly takes the impact and your tank is completely secured because your bike is levitating between this and this. और ये सब भी नहीं टूटता because this is that extended. तो सब बच जाता है और ये तो अपना अंदर ही चला जाता है. So वो सीन है. So this is for 2100, worth investment guys. After which is the phone mount from MotoWolf. This is a 1000 rupee phone mount. It gets adjustment on both sides. It has a battery connection, battery charging point right here, phone charging point, USB one, and it is connected from the slot inside that you will see in the entire video that I've shot the video, uska bhi aayega. And the last thing is my top box. So this top box is from Cookies. इसका मैं आपको अंदर का नहीं दिखा रहा हूँ क्योंकि if I do that तो तुम लोग आगे जो आएगा वीडियो उसका नहीं देखोगे. तो this I am not even going to tell you the pricing in this video. If I don't remember if I have told you the pricing in that video. If I haven't, I will shoot that part again and tell you the pricing for this. So I'll give you a small detail. It has unlock lock, 2 switches. It gets a plate here. It gets lights, which I showed in the last video. So guys, for the top box, I have got a custom plate designed, which is extended that much so that the plate rests properly. And there's enough space on the seat for a pillion to sit comfortably, and it can carry load. So because earlier how it was, I had just got this metal plate, the plastic plate that the top box comes with, directly mounted onto the top rack of the stock, on the stock top rack. So that way almost this much part was hanging free. So whenever there was load or some speed breaker or something, it would just slightly crack, and there is a small crack inside. So I was like, just let's quickly get this done. तो ये उन्होंने बहुत मस्त डिज़ाइन किया है. I have got hooks here which I can tie stuff to, and it is really strong, and it's a very well designed and very robust upgrade. After that I have got this side stand extension as well, welded directly, because I didn't want to spend 500-600 on a small thing. I am still going to weld this side a bit, like a bit more wider. तो वो एक खाली बाकी है, वो मैं करवा लूँगा. And one of the most important things is the main stand which I have got from Hero. उसका 699 का स्टैंड है और उसके पिन्स वगैरह गिन के 800 के अंदर आपका स्टैंड आ जाता है पूरा. So this guys Xpulse में तो if as soon as possible डलवा दो. So I guess ये रहा बिजली का एक्सेसरीज का पूरा लिस्ट. अभी एक एक करके डिटेल में सब एक्सेसरीज कैसे इंस्टॉल्ड हुई, क्या हुआ, सब कुछ बताऊंगा मैं अगले वीडियोस में. तो कृपया बने रहे चैनल के साथ. धन्यवाद देखने के लिए. लाइक कर दे और शेयर कर दे वीडियो अपने दोस्तों एवं फैमिली मेम्बर्स के साथ जिनके पास ये प्यारी सी बाइक है, ये या फिर इसकी पुरानी वाली मॉडल्स. सो गाइज, अगर आपको कुछ बाइक में और कुछ देखना है, जैसे कि एनी अदर एक्सेसरी दैट आई माइट हैव मिस्ड एंड यू वांट टू वॉच, please let me know in the comments. I will try to make that video as soon as possible. I will, if you guys want, I can even show you a comparison between the 4V, the 2V BS6, 2V BS4, एंड इफ़ आई डोंट नो अगर कार्बोरेटर वाले का पॉसिबल है, बट मैं तीनों का एक कंपैरिजन तो दिखाने की कोशिश करूँगा ही डेफिनेटली कि 4V 2V BS6 2V BS4 में कितना फ़र्क है. कार्बोरेटर हो गया तो वेल एंड गुड, वरना तो अपने है ही. एंड देर इज़ अनदर स्मॉल वीडियो कमिंग अप wherein there is a 4V with a rally kit installed. Bye bye. Signing off from Exogis.